Hello everybody. I want to show you this mouse pad. This thing is so cool. When I saw this, I said I have to have this. Now you know why? Because I actually work with this. I actually work with Word, Windows, PowerPoint, Excel, and it gives you in the Excel formulas and stuff. And there are shortcuts to do certain things. So that's what I really loved about it. Because if I need to, it's like I just can't remember how do I let's say copy. It's Control plus C. That's universal. So if that's how you would copy something and then paste it, there should be a paste on there. Control plus P or print. Well, Control plus V actually pastes it, and Control P will print something, and the PowerPoints and the Word, and these are just the shortcuts that you would use when you're using Windows, right? When you're using like Microsoft Office, this is a little shortcut cheat sheet that you can actually have on your desk while as your mouse pad. So I really thought this was like cool because I do like all of that stuff. So this really, if you're learning and you have to use it, why not use this for a mouse pad and have your shortcuts there too, right? That's what I think. Well, that's how I feel about it. But I really do enjoy this.